Hello friends, welcome to the Ultimate Law Associates. In the previous video, we have discussed 34 important questions related to geography, and today we will discuss after 34 question. Let's start. The question is, which soil is also known as regur? Answer is black soil. Next, what is known as soil free farming? Answer is hydroponics. Next, dry winds blows in Sahara desert from? Answer is east to west. Next, which industry is India was worst affected because of the partition? Answer is jute and cotton. Next, what is exact time taken by the earth for single rotation on its own axis? Answer is 23 hours 56 minutes 4.09 seconds. Next, because of which factor cloud do not precipitate in desert? Answer is low humidity. Next, which river crosses the equator twice? Answer is Congo. Next, under which climate condition do the laterite soils develop? Answer is wet tropical climate. Next, which is the most important factor in soil formation? Answer is climate. Next, the deepest surface depression on earth is? Answer is Mariana Trench. Next, the word isonap represent the lines of equal? Answer is cloudiness. Next, country through which both equator and tropic of Capricorn pass? Answer is Brazil. Next, what is the name of the soil rich in calcium? Answer is Pidocal. Answer. Next, which lake is known as honeymoon lake? Answer is Lake Titicaca. Next, which country has maximum damage to forest being caused by acid rain? Answer is Poland. Next, which country is situated geographically in America but politically a part of Europe? Answer is Greenland. Next, the fertile land between two rivers is called? Answer is Doab. Which state separates Africa from Europe? Answer is state of Gibraltar. Next, which is the fastest growing tree? Answer is eucalyptus. Next, which tree require minimum water for its growth? Answer is babool. Next, which plain formed due to the weathering of limestone? Answer is karst plains. Next, to an astronaut, how does outer space appear? Answer is black. Next, which river crosses tropic of Capricorn twice? Answer is Limpopo river. Next, what is associated with a savanna climate? Answer is scrub. Next, which kind of forest is found in Silent Valley of Kerala? Answer is tropical rainforest. Next, which is the largest island in the Indian Ocean? Answer is Madagascar. Next, in how many time zone has the world been divided into? Answer is 24. Which soil is very hard to cultivate? Answer is sandy soil. Next, what separates Daman and Diu? Answer is Gulf of Khambat. Next, which connects the ocean floor level with the continent? Answer is continental slope. Next, Port Blair, the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island, is located in which island? Answer is South Andaman. Next, which is the state with the largest area under wasteland? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Next, which crop are grain with the onset of monsoon and are harvested in September October? Answer is Kharif. Which river basin is called Ruhr of India? Answer is Damodar. Next, which is considered to have an adverse effect on Indian monsoon? Answer is El Nino. Next, which is the longest island waterways in the world? Answer is Mississippi river system. Next, in which latitude are the seasonal contrast maximum? Answer is mid latitudes. Next, which state in India is known as rice bowl? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. What are doldrums? Answer is tropical no wind belt. Next, Valley of Flower is located in which state? Answer is Uttarakhand. Next, which is called herring pond? Answer is Atlantic Ocean. Next, what is the name of India's southern tip? Answer is Indra Point. Next, lines joining place receiving equal amount of rainfall? Answer is isohyets. Next, what is the reason behind the declining climate of Maldives? Answer is high population density. Next, which place gets the least rainfall in India? Answer is Jodhpur. Next, which hill station is known as the Queen of Satpura? Answer is Panchmadi. Next, which are the two volcanic islands in the Indian territory? Answer is Narcom and Barren. Next, which is the longest national highway? Answer is National Highway 7. Next, India is divided into how many seismic zones according to the earthquake zoning map? Answer is 4. Next, in which state is the Guru Shikhar peak located? Answer is Rajasthan. Which one is the longest river in India that flows entirely within India? Answer is Godavari. Next, which lake has been formed due to tectonic activities? Answer is Volar Lake. By what name is the Ganga known in Bangladesh? Answer is Padma. Which state produces maximum pulses in the country? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? Answer is Lake Superior. Next, where is Sargasso Sea located? Answer is North Atlantic Ocean. Next, which state has the largest coastal line in India? Answer is Gujarat. Next, Duncan Passage is located between which regions? Answer is South and Little Andaman. Next, the Sivas Mudram Fall is on which river? Answer is Kaveri. Which warm dry wind blows down the east slopes of Rockies? Answer is Chinook. Next, which planet is known as Wild Planet? Answer is Venus. Next, which state which separates Asia from North America? Answer is Bering Strait. Next, how many islands of India are located in the Bay of Bengal? Answer is 204. Next, what happens when a sudden fall in the barometric reading? Answer is storm. Next, which country is the largest producer of bauxite? Answer is Australia. That's all for today. Thank you very much.